Welcome to our coffee factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how instant coffee is made, from carefully selected coffee beans to the
Roasting is the key to flavor. As the beans reach this deep mahogany color, the heat unlocks the complex aromas and brings the essential oils to the surface.
The temperature spike is stabilizing now that we've adjusted the airflow. Yes, and the color reading just hit optimal chestnut. Confirmed.
Every batch is carefully extracted to preserve flavor and aroma.
Every batch is tested to ensure consistent taste and quality.
And that's how instant coffee is made. From carefully selected beans to the rich flavor in every cup.